Making sure that you are talking to your audience on different platforms at different times and with a voice that speaks to that platform. So, for instance, a lot of the times when people are scrolling on LinkedIn, they are in a business type mindset, right? But if they're going to scroll on Instagram, their mindset may be a little bit different. So, making sure that you're staggering the content across the platforms and then also adjusting the copy, like the text that you're typing into the post when you're attaching that video or that image, that copy needs to kind of match the mindset that you know that your audience is in based on what platform they're on. And I know that that sounded fully loaded, but ultimately it's just knowing where the head of your audience is at when they're on that platform. So your Facebook copy may be different than your LinkedIn copy, and that may be different than your Instagram copy. Just knowing where they're at's going to be really big. The staggering across the platforms is super important, because the last thing you want to do is post this epic 2-minute clip that you've spent all this time and energy repurposing and it looks great. And then you post it at 10 a.m. on Tuesday on all of the platforms. And maybe most of your audience wasn't on any of the platforms at that time, or maybe they were just on Twitter, but they weren't in the mindset to really take that piece of content and consume it, right? Or take action on it. So making sure that you take that 2-minute clip and then staggering it over the platforms over the course of that week, even that will give you more touches on your clients who are following you on multiple platforms, but also it gives you an opportunity to touch them when they're in different mindsets instead of just loading it all up at the same time on the same day.